Hello guys, welcome to our English learning channel. In this video, you will learn 50 important verbs about cooking, complete with example sentences to help spice up your culinary vocabulary. Whether you're writing a recipe or chatting about your latest kitchen adventure, these verbs are your key ingredients. Let's get cooking. Chop. I need to chop the onions before I can start cooking. Boil. Boil the water before adding the pasta. Fry. Fry the chicken until it's golden brown. Bake. Bake the cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Sauté. Sauté the garlic and mushrooms in olive oil. Grill. Grill the steaks over high heat for the best flavor. Blend. Blend the tomatoes to make a smooth sauce. Marinate. Marinate the chicken overnight to enhance its flavor. Simmer. Simmer the soup on low heat for 2 hours. Roast. Roast the vegetables with a drizzle of honey. Steam. Steam the broccoli until it's tender but still crisp. Whisk. Whisk the eggs and milk together for the omelette. Knead. Knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic. Season. Season the salad with salt and pepper. Mix. Mix the dry and wet ingredients separately before combining. Melt. Melt the butter in the pan before adding the eggs. Cool. Cool the cookies on a rack before serving. Peel. Peel the apples before chopping them for the pie. Grate. Grate the cheese and sprinkle it over the pasta. Stir. Stir the stew occasionally to prevent it from sticking. Toast. Toast the bread until it's crispy and golden. Pour. Pour the batter into the pan evenly. Spread. Spread the jam evenly over the toast. Slice. Slice the cake into equal portions. Dice. Dice the tomatoes for the salsa. Beat. Beat the cream until stiff peaks form. Glaze. Glaze the donuts with chocolate icing. Garnish. Garnish the dish with fresh herbs for a pop of color. Sift. Sift the flour to prevent lumps in the batter. Skim. Skim the fat off the top of the soup. Broil. Broil the fish until the skin is crispy. Carve. Carve the turkey carefully to preserve its juices. Drizzle. Drizzle olive oil over the salad before serving. Flambe. Flambe the bananas with rum for a dramatic effect. Fold. Fold the chocolate gently into the whipped cream. Pound. Pound the chicken breasts to an even thickness. Reduce. Reduce the sauce to thicken it. Score. Score the bread dough before baking. Soak. Soak the beans overnight before cooking. Sprinkle. Sprinkle sugar on top of the crème brûlée. Stuff. Stuff the peppers with rice and meat mixture. Tenderize. Tenderize the meat with a mallet before cooking. Thicken. Thicken the gravy with a flour and water mixture. Whip. Whip the egg whites until they form soft peaks. Zest. Zest the lemon to add flavor to the cake. Deglaze. Deglaze the pan with wine after searing the meat. Infuse. Infuse the oil with garlic for extra flavor. Mash. Mash the potatoes until they're smooth. Pinch. Pinch off a piece of dough to check its texture. Roll. Roll out the pastry dough on a floured surface.